We'll see right here.
One up top. Rivers throws. Diving catch. Made by Watt. He tried to roll in, but
Had him wide open. Rivers just underthrows the ball, tails with the wind. He catches it.
boy,
That's close. We're going to have to look.
View the play. The ruling on the field stands as called. It'll be 3rd down and goal from the half-yard line.
all right, fourth quarter begins with a crucial snap. 3rd and goal. To Gordon. He fumbled on the way in. Humphrey's got it. Rivers unable to slow him down, and Humphrey is going all the way, although there are arms waving at the other end. They're waving at the other end that he might have been down, that he was down. It's going to be the ruling on the field. All right, Gene Steratore, we're going to keep you busy. What do you see here?
I think what we've got is when he's diving there, the minute that forearm hits the ground now, he is down. So if the ball pops out, ground can't cause a fumble. The real question is he losing? Is that ball suspended in air and not in his possession? And when that elbow touches, does the tip of that football break the plane of the goal line?
Field, it's a touchdown by Los Angeles prior to the player losing control.
Wow.
But you've been stuffed all day, and Suggs is back in the game.
At the last moment. Back to Gordon. He's in for the touchdown. The first of the game. Hey, what a game. Every inch has been challenged.
He's not in that game. You can run it, and they do right down, and there's a big hole. And the Chargers created inside.